Lau akkam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii iddoo jirtan hundumatti nageenya waaqayyo isiniif haa ta'u. Barattoonni manneetii barnoota Oromiyaa keessatti barattan eebila 1 hanga 3tti qormaatarra akka turtan ni yaadatama. Anis gaaffii qormaataa isiniif dhiyaate irratti deebii fi ibsa bal'aa qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadheera. GO lesson 17 TUB wajjin qayyabachuun iddoo qaawwa qayyabannaa keessanii akka duuchitan gamanumaan isin affeera. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? ባላችሁበት የጌታ ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ። በኦሮሚያ ሁለተኛ ደረጃ ትምህርት ቤቶች እየተማራችሁ ላላችሁ የ12ኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎች ከሚያዝያ 1 እስከ 3 ድረስ በነበረው ኦሮሚያ ባዘጋጀው ሞዴል ፈተና እኔም ይህንን ቪዲዮ በሂስትሪ ትምህርት ላይ የተጠየቃችሁትን ጥያቄዎች ከነበቂው ማብራሪያ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። ከጂኦ lesson 17 ቲዩብ ጋር እስከ መጨረሻ ድረስ ከሆናችሁ ለስኬታችሁ አመርቂ የሆነ ውጤትን እንደምታመጡ ባለሙሉ ተስፋ ነኝ። ጂኦ lesson 17 ቲዩብን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር ማድረጋችሁን አትዘናጉ። Today we are going to discuss from Oromia Educational Bureau's Model Exam 2017 Ethiopian Calendar Part 1. Choose the best answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Which science helps us study prehistory? A. Geology, B. Archaeology, C. Anthropology, D. Sociology. Question number 2. Why do historians focus on time and chronology in their study of history? A. Time enables historians to find out infinite events in the distant past. B. Time helps historians to interpret events in their chronological order. C. Time helps to manage a vast scope of events in the past. D. Historians use time and chronology for their work alternatively. Question number 3. Which one is attached to ancient Indian civilization? A. Land of Aryans, B. Caucasus Mountain, C. Sumerians, D. Indo-Aryans. For question number 1, archaeology is the science which helps us to study prehistory because it deals with human history and prehistory through excavation and also analysis of artifacts. A, C, and D are not the correct answer because A, C እና D መልስ የማይሆኑበት ምክንያት A, ጫፍ ዳን ዴቢ ሰበብን ትንታኔፍ 1. Geology studies Earth's physical structure, not about the human past. So A is not the answer. C. Anthropology studies human beings broadly, culture, biology, and the like, but not focused only on prehistory. So C is also not the exact answer. D. Sociology says sociology studies modern human societies, not about the prehistory. For this reason, B is the correct answer. For question number 2, time helps historians to interpret events in their chronological order, and chronology helps to understand cause, effect, and sequences. A, C, and D are not the answer. A, C እና D መልስ አይሆኑ። A, ጫፊ ዳን ዴቢን ta'an sababni isaas ምክንያቱም A says that time does not allow access to infinite events, so this is unrealistic. In a broad sense, C is the correct, but too vague compared to the time, which is chronology helps to understand cause, effect, and sequences. D is also not, because time and chronology are not interchangeably used. So again, B is the correct answer for question number 2. Indo-Aryans are attached to ancient Indian civilization because the Indo-Aryans were migrated to India and influenced early Indian civilization. but A, B, C are not the correct answer. Why? A, B እና C መልስ አይሆኑም deebiin ta'ani. Sababni isaas ምክንያቱም A, land of Aryans says this is vague term, not a specific civilization. Caucasus Mountain is a region where Aryans are originated, not directly Indian civilization, whereas Sumerians are known with Mesopotamia, not in India. Reasonably, D is the correct answer. Question number 4. Which one of the following is true about the Muslim Arab civilization in the 80s and 19th century? A. Muslim Arabs introduced the whole civilization in different fields. B. The culture of Byzantine and Persia influenced the Muslim Arabs. C. The Muslim Arabs introduced Arabic numbers and a writing system. D. Muslim Arabs invented art and architecture earlier than other sciences. Question number 5. What made Zagwe renowned in Ethiopian history? A. Its location in the central part of Ethiopia. B. Its remarkable architectural achievements. C. Its political instability. D. Its economic prosperity. Question number 6. How did the Christian Highland Kingdom administer the vast lands appropriately in the 40th and 50th centuries? A. By dividing the territories into smaller units under the Galt system. B. By establishing the permanent capitals at Aksum and Lalibela. C. By maintaining permanent peace in every regional entity. D. By maintaining political alliances with neighboring states. Question number 7. Which of the following is correct about the early capitalist relations? A. Equalities of citizens for both rural and urban populations. B. Uses of money for local and long-distance trade communication. C. Factories started to produce textiles and metals by hand. D. The feudal lords enjoyed the capitalist relations than merchants. Question number 8. How did Ahmed Grany establish a strong Muslim sultanate in the early 5020s? A. By overrunning the Christian Highland Kingdom. B. By uniting lowland Muslim communities. C. By cooperating with Ottoman Turkey. D. By allying with Oromo populations. For question number 4, the cultures of Byzantine and Persia influenced the Muslim Arabs. This is true about the Muslim Arab civilization during the 8th and 9th century, which means Arab civilization was a blend of Persian and Byzantine influences. So the correct answer is B. A, C and D are not the correct. A, C እና D መልስ አይሆኑም deebiin ta'ani. Sababni isaas ምክንያቱም Arabs did not introduce the whole civilization. They were influenced by others. Due to this, A is not the answer. C is not the answer because Arabic numbers came from India. Arabs transmitted them, not invented. Architecture was not invented earlier than the science. So D is also false. As a result, B is the correct answer. Why Zagwe renowned in Ethiopian history is due to its remarkable architectural achievements. For example, the Rock Hewan churches, example, Lalibela are famous during the ruling of Zagwe, but ACD are not. Why? Many kingdoms were centrally located, not unique. So A is not the answer. Zagwe was relatively stable, but C says that its political issue was unstable. So C is not the answer again. Why? It says unstable, but it is stable. Economy was not its most remarkable trait. So here B is the correct answer for question number 5. The Christian Highland Kingdom administered the vast lands appropriately in the 14th and 15th century by dividing the territories into smaller units under the guild system. No permanent capital, the court was mobile, so B is not the answer. There was not always permanent peace. This also becomes not the answer. D is also not the answer because alliances were helpful but not administrative. So, guild system was a key administrative method. As a result, A is the correct answer. Use of money for local and long-distance trade communication was the correct early capitalist relations. A is not the answer because capitalists increased inequality. Again, C is not the answer. Why? Factories used machines, not handwork. Merchants benefited more than feudal lords. So, B is the correct answer. Ahmed Grany established a strong Muslim sultanate in the early 1520s by cooperating with Ottoman Turks. A is not the answer because overrunning came after the support of Turkeys. Again, B is not the answer because unity was not enough without military aid. D. Oromo Alliance came later. So, Ottoman military aid strengthened the force of Ahmed Grany. For this reason, C is the correct answer for question number 8. Question number 9. Which of the following factors contributed to the Afar and Somali population movement towards the Harar Plateau in the 50th and 60th century? A. Religious influence. B. Trade expansion. C. Military conquest by Adal. D. Drought and the shortage of pasture. Question number 10. Who played a significant political role during the era of Zaman Masafint in Ethiopia? A. Leni. B. Yodit. C. Mintawab. D. Makeda. Question number 11. What measures were taken by King Susenyos to realize his utmost inclination to Portuguese diplomatic alliance? A. Invited the Protestant missionaries to his country. B. Denied the Catholic religion to be preached in Ethiopia. C. He declared Catholic as the state religion of Ethiopia. D. He condemned Sila Christos, who was made a martyr. Drought and the shortage of pasture was the major factor contributor to the Afar and the Somali population movement towards the Harari Plateau in the 50th and the 60th century. Religion may influence, but it is not the primary cause. Again, trade attracts, but not forces to migration. Adult conquest did not trigger migration. So, environmental stress caused pastoral groups to move. As a result, D is the correct answer for question number 9. Mintawa played a significant political role during the era of ዘመነ መሳፍንት in Ethiopia. C is the correct answer. Why A, B and D are not the answer? ለምንድን ነው መልስ ያልሆኑት? A, B, D. A, B fi D'n deebii kan hin taane maaliif? Because Illeni is not notable political impact. Yodit is the earlier era, not during the ዘመነ መሳፍንት. Makeda is a legendary queen of Sheba, but Itege Mantawa was a regent and influential figure. So, C is the correct answer. Suetonius declared Catholic as the state religion of Ethiopia. These measures were taken by King Suetonius to realize his utmost inclination to Portuguese diplomatic alliance. Here, Suetonius declared Catholic as the state religion of Ethiopia. He converted to Catholicism, causing arrest. Protestants were not involved, so A is not the answer. Suetonius supported Catholicism, not deny the Catholicism. D is irrelevant. So, C is the correct answer for question number 11. Question number 12. What was the lasting impact of European penetration into Ethiopian regions as scientific explorer, geographic society, commercial expedition, and religious missionary? A. It hastened the Ethiopian civilization. B. They were hired in the Ethiopian universities. C. They got a clear insight into Ethiopia for their colonial attempt. D. Caused religious civil wars in the Christian kingdom of Ethiopia. Question number 13. Before the 18th century, people were using wood fire to smelt iron, which had many setbacks. Hence, how did the industrial men resolve this problem? A. By creating spinning jenny. B. By inventing coal and steam engine. C. By inventing the steam locomotive. D. Printing press. Question number 14. What was the main goal of the Congress of Vienna? A. To expand the French Empire. B. To restore the balance of power in Europe. C. To create European Empire under Napoleon. D. To support evolutionary movements in Europe. The lasting impact of European penetration into Ethiopian regions as scientific explorer, geographic society, commercial expedition, and religious missionary, they got a clear insight into Ethiopia for their colonial attempt. So, the correct answer is C. A is not the answer. Why? Civilization was native driven issue. B is also not the answer because universities did not exist yet. D is not the major factor because no major religious civil wars due to explorers. So, explorers gathered data useful for later colonization. The result, C is the correct answer. Before the 18th century, people were using wood fire to smelt iron, which had many setbacks. So, by inventing coal and steam engine, A is not the answer because spinning jenny is used for textile production. C is not the correct answer because locomotives came later on. Printing is unrelated to the issue, but steam and coal improved smelting efficiency. The correct answer is B. The main goal of the Congress of Vienna was to restore the balance of power in Europe. A, C, D are not the answer because A and C opposed the Napoleon's expansion. D, Congress suppressed the revolution. So B is the correct answer. Question number 15. What was the most significant long-term effect of French Revolution? A, the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. B, the abolition of the monarchy. C, the spread of revolutionary ideas. D, the execution of Louis XVI. The spread of the revolutionary idea was the most significant long-term effect of the French Revolution. Napoleon is a short term, and monarchy returned later. Execution was a symbolic, not long-term. So, revolution inspired global democratic movements. As a result, C is the correct answer for question number 15. Chaanalii keessan Ji'oolessan 17 Tiyuubii waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Ji'oolessan 17 Tiyuub chaanaalaችሁን ስለጎበኛችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። Ji'oolessan 17 Tiyuub chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu